next verse is a praise of the teacher again. न नरेणावरेण प्रोक्त एषः सुविज्ञेयो बहुधा चिन्त्यमानः अनन्य प्रोक्ते गतिरत्र नास्ति अणीयान् यत्तर्क्यम् अणुप्रमाणा. Again, अणीयान् यत्तर्क्यम् अणुप्रमाणा. Whole mantra will read again. न नरेणावरेण प्रोक्त एषः सुविज्ञेयो बहुधा चिन्त्यमानः अनन्य प्रोक्ते गतिरत्र नास्ति अणीयान् यत्तर्क्यम् अणुप्रमाणात्. He is saying here his glorification of Acharya is there. Why? Well, this which I am going to tell Nachiketa, Aniyan Anupramanat. It is Aniyan Anupramanat Aniyan. That means it is subtler than the subtlest. That means what? It is not Pratyaksh Pramana Gocharam. Aniyan Anupramanat Aniyan. It is not known by Pratyaksh Pramana. I am rearranging the word. In Sanskrit, you have to rearrange the word. You can't read it linear like that. Ram goes to school. You can't say. Goes Ram, school. You cannot do like that. You cannot reshuffle it. But in Sanskrit, you can reshuffle it. I told one day also, Rama Vidyalayam Gacchati. So you can say Vidyalayam Rama Gacchati. Gacchati Rama. Vidyalayam Rama Gacchati. Gacchati Rama Vidyalayam. You can reshuffle anywhere. You can put the word anywhere. Well, anywhere, but later on I have to arrange it. This arranging in order, it is called Anvay. Therefore, you have to know some Sanskrit also. Please don't be translation oriented. You will never know the meaning. So, I am tempting you to study more. There is no time. No time you have to find out. As you find time to take bath, you find time to fight if you have to fight. Or you find time to think about food also. Okay, food also. Varushamma is saying like that, food also. So you have to steal time. So when you have 5 minutes, supposing you have 5 minutes, just open your copy and write all the alphabets without seeing. Close the book and write K, K, G, K, G. Write that. And supposing you are not able to write, then again practice it. Write Ch 5 times. Ch, 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 ch. 5 minutes. Close the book. Those who love, for them 5 minutes is enough. Hello, how are you? Fine. Thank you. We'll see you again. But that is enough. ये थोड़ी ना I need 2 hours to sit. अरे नहीं है, whatever time you have, you give that. So, Anu Pramanat Aniyan. Here, Anu means what? Anu doesn't mean atom here. Actually, in science, Anu is atom. When is atom, there is molecule. But here, what is meaning this here? One rule I am telling you. One which has more property is grosser. One is less property is subtler. Earth has 5 property. Earth has 5 property. क्या? शब्द स्पर्श रूप रस गंध. Earth has no. See, this is what? Shabd, sound is there. It has touch or not? It has touch also. It has form or not? Form is also there. Or Shabd, Sparsh, Roop. It has taste. Taste is also. Gandh. This is called 5 object. Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras, Gandh. Sound, touch, form, taste, smell. You can take in discussion. Okay. So this is gross. Now come to water. Water. If you're American, don't say water. They say water. They don't say water. They say, I'll have water. What do you want to have? Water. And if you are from India, especially UP, I will have water. Sorry. So, now, water has 4. Acha, water has sound. Sound doesn't? Water. Sometimes the stomach also, rumbling is there. That you cannot stop. Well, I'll put silencer. I feel so embarrassed. Oh my God. And some stomachs are very soundy. Anyway, so not stomach, but water has sound. Water has touch. Touch, bhai. Water has touch. Okay. Then water has form. Water has taste. Yes. Water has smell. No, water has a smell. It is something else has been put in water. Then water has a smell. Per se, water does not have a smell. You mix something, then it can have a smell or something. But water per se doesn't have a smell. Okay. Third thing, fire. So how many qualities in water? 4. And in earth? 5. Let us go to fire. Fire has shabd. Yes or no? Chat, chat, chat. When you have. Fire has touch. Touch. Achha. You can feel that. If you have any doubt, please go in the gas stove and do all these things. Then fire has form. A very good form. Achha, fire has taste. You can't say very tasty fire. It's a sweet fire. Fire has no taste, no smell. If you smell is something else is there. No, the Havan Samagri. It is the smell of Havan Samagri, not the fire. So fire has 3 properties. Air has sound. Like that sound is there. So that sound is there. Air has touch. Of course, you feel the air when it is air. Air has form? No form. Air has taste? No smell. Because air smell is something else it has borrowed. It is a borrowed smell of a jasmine. Air has only 2 properties. Okay? Space? Only sound is there. There is no. Air does not have space does not even have a touch also. Otherwise, every time you will feel somebody is touching me because the space is all around. So, which is subtlest? In one definition is there, lesser is the property, more is the subtlety. There is one word I like. I like subtle colors, Swamiji. What do you like? I like subtle colors. What do you mean by subtle colors? Not very gross, gaudy picture is there all around. Understood that? Very gaudy picture is there. One monkey is there. I have made one art. I don't like all this. I just like very plain kind of colors. So more is the property, lesser is the subtlety. Lesser is the property, more is the subtlety. Okay. More is the property, more is the subtlety. No, बोलता हूँ बोलो. More is the property, lesser is the subtlety. And that is what I said. No, you said something else. More is the property, lesser is the subtlety. Lesser is the property, more is the subtlety. Okay. That which will be the subtlest, conclude, it should not have any property. And problem is, we are habituated to think something with property. कैसा है वो? How is he? आत्मा कैसी है? How is the आत्मा? Blue, yellow, white, shining आत्मा, long आत्मा, very long आत्मा was there, very long आत्मा, very beautiful आत्मा was there, very musical आत्मा was there, very smart आत्मा was there. Atma can't be smart, it will become a form. Okay, very handsome Atma. Okay, very quiet Atma. कुछ भी मत बोलो. Why? You are putting a property. What's wrong if I put property? If you put property, it will come in all pratyaksh praman and all this praman. It will be objectified, it will become. And therefore, aniyan, anu, pramanat aniyan. That means it is beyond pratyaksh praman. Second word is atarkyam. Atarkyam means it is beyond anuman praman. Because anuman praman is based on pratyaksh praman. So one word is saying it is beyond pratyaksh praman, other word is saying it is beyond anuman praman. And because it is not having property, and therefore na suvigneyaha, it is not properly known by ordinary person. It is not properly known. People are having lot of imagination about it. Supposing you don't see me, I'm in the room only, and you don't see me with your eyes. So you will have speculation. Why Swamiji has not come out? I didn't see me. I hope he is well. I hope he is not sleeping till late. I hope he slept late or what? You start speculating. So supposing Atma is there, which is not perceived by the Anuman and Pratyaksh. Now problem is everybody started speculating about it. Somebody said, Nyaya said, Atma is inert, low. Bauddha said, Atma is not there. Jain said, Atma is as per the body. If you are putting on weight, Atma is expanding. Sankhya said, Holy, what are you talking? Just listen these words, don't get worried. Sankhya said that Atma is one per head. And now with so much of things, how shall I do? What shall I do? Therefore you have to go to the teacher now. Now you need a teacher. Any teacher? No, not any teacher, won't work. None, avarena narena prokta esha. Inferior teacher won't work. Inferior teacher will not be working. Anvay will be, there's a different Anvay is there in this. Avarena narena prokta san baudha chintamana esha suvigyo na bhavati. Anvay will be like. Now we go to the teacher now. Now teacher will tell you because you are already speculating about that. And supposing I read it, you will never be able to know because while reading you will not be able to understand. You will mix your own thought while reading. It is not a novel. Some things you cannot read and understand. And you don't know what you will read. And supposing after reading you will have doubt, then what will happen? So therefore, avarena means inferior person. Inferior means what? Inferior means one who, there are the two words are there. You have to know that. One is called, teacher should have two qualifications. One qualification is called Shrotriya. You can write it. Shrotriya. Shrotriya means what? Shrotriya means who is adept in handling the who is adept in handling the scriptures and is excellent in communicating. Who is adept in handling the scriptures and communicating. Okay. He is one with the scriptures. He is not saying something out of the blue, out of the head. Some new philosophy has come up. It is not Newton's law has come up. Charles' law is there. Bayes' law is there. Archimedes' principle is there. Or Avogadro's principle is there. It is not, you cannot see what? Ramesh's Atma. I have brought out new theory on Atma. Achha? Haan. Or somebody brought out, I am Suresh's theory of Atma. This is not there. So one is Shrotri and other qualification is called Brahmanishta. Brahmanishta means he abides in what he is teaching. If he doesn't abide, he will always objectify Atma. And therefore, to tell these two words, there is one more word there in the mantra, Ananya Prokte. To communicate these two words, Ananya Prokte word has been given. Ananya Prokte is equal to Shrotri plus Brahmanishta. Okay. I understand. Now, so it is difficult. What is difficult? This knowing the Atma. Therefore, you need an Acharya. You need a very competent Acharya, not inferior Acharya. Okay. You need a competent Acharya. Teacher has to be not for something else. Teacher's main work is to make the student know the truth and take him out of all sorrows. Teacher's only project is this. Teacher is not for making you do seva. Will you please serve me? I am your teacher. This is not what teacher is meant for. And if seva is there, that is to prepare your mind for this knowledge. I hope you are understanding. I am understanding very well. So, how we developed the topic? First we said, Atma cannot be known by Pratyaksha and Anuman Praman. Second we said, why? Bahudha Suvigyo, it is known in various ways. Suvigyo Bahudha Chintamana, lot of things are said about that. And third thing, inferior person cannot know it. Na naren avaren prokta. And fourth thing is that who can tell who is abiding in the self and who is well versed in all the procedures of the Upanishads and the text also. He is an excellent communicator. You can't go, well, is this teacher? What is the teacher? Well, he is in silence. A teacher may be great, I am not saying. He may be reveling in silence. But you don't understand what his silence means. Problem is this there. Student went there. A teacher said, just be in silence. Silence has more meaning. Silence means he is upset or what? Silence means that, I don't know what the meaning of silence. If I am not talking, you don't know what you will take about my not talking. It can communicate that I am very meditative also. It can communicate that I am upset also. It can communicate that I am not well also. It can communicate that I just want to be very quiet also. So when you go to such teachers, I am not saying they are not great Mahatmas. They may be great saints. But when teaching is involved, that silence doesn't work. I hope you are understanding that. I want to know, bhaiya, bolo I can understand. So he is meditating. Bole, Maharaj ji, what is the truth? Silence. No, he was a great Mahatma, but not a great teacher then. Why? Because speculation is there. This is what happened with Gautam Buddha. Buddhism came like this only. How this Buddhism religion came, you know that? Gautam Buddha is considered avatar. He is avatar Purush. He is avatar of Lord Vishnu. Now when they asked Gautam Buddha, what is Atma? He kept quiet. Now various schools of philosophy came among Buddhism only. Some said he doesn't. Do you believe in God? He kept quiet. Now one school came, does not believe in God. Do you believe in Ram and Krishna and Shiv? He kept quiet. So quietness is very deluding sometimes. Not clear exactly what you want. What you want to intend. So knowledge is not communicative. After knowledge you are quiet, then you are abiding in that knowledge. You are assimilating that knowledge. But I don't know. After the class, I'll say, okay, let us be quiet now. It is clear what is quietness also. But first step only you are quiet. I don't know what. Therefore, please do not meditate. Meditation is not the goal of life. Because what you will meditate on? You don't know about anything. Well, in my ashram, I went to some ashram. No study was going on. So I said, study doesn't come. Well, we meditate only, Swamiji. I said, on what? I said, on what you meditate? Well, it was Atma. I said, which Atma? What is the nature of Atma? Well, that I don't know. I said, when you don't know, how will you meditate on that? No subject is there which is taught in silence. Physics, chemistry, biology, zoology, botany, anthropology, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, architectural engineering, metallurgy, allergy, all these things are not taught. कुछ तो हो भाई आत्मा कुछ तो बोलो आत्मा. No, he's not saying anything. My teacher is only silent all the time. No, he's a great saint. I have no problem. But unless he communicates exactly, an element of doubt will always remain. I hope you are understanding the problem. Element of doubt will remain. So there are some Mahatmas who are great saint, but sorry to say, not great teachers. Teacher has to come down at the level of the student. Teacher is good teacher. My father, if he wants to pick up the child, he also has to bend. If the child and the baby is lying on the floor, he can't expect the baby, hey, I will not pick up unless you jump on my lap. Baby does not have a capacity to jump on your lap. He has to get down at the level of that baby. Although he may be 7 foot or 6 foot, he gets down, he picks up. So if the teacher is not understanding exactly what is the problem of the student and how this ignorance is affecting him, he will not be a great teacher. He may be great saint, he may be avadhut. Lot of saints are there. Lot of saints who don't teach. There are a lot of saints who don't teach at all. They have no interest in teaching. They are sitting somewhere quietly. They say, don't disturb. Don't come near me. I am not a teacher. Get out. You can believe, but what is Atma? Don't ask any question. He is reveling in that Atma. Please note, I am not putting them down anywhere. Who am I to? They are reveling in that self. They are Brahmanist, but not Shrotri. Some have not gone through the processes. So what the scriptures open lot of processes for you. This is the way. Avasthatraya is there. Karya Karan is there. Got my point? Panch Vibhut Vivek is there. Panch Kosh Vivek is there. This is Panch Mahabhut. This is Mahavakya. They have lot of procedures. You know, when you go in the subject, there is lot of ways to do it. You are very well versed in it. So Ananya Prokte Sati. So it has to be taught only. Well, I will teach myself. No knowledge you can teach yourself, you know. ABCD you could not teach yourself. How will you teach Vedanta? No, I'll teach car myself. Come on, man. To know how to drive also you need to know by somebody is there. Somebody has to sit there in your second, and he has to say, this is brake, this is first gear, this is second gear, this is accelerator, take U-turn. Huh? Don't see me, see in front. You are going to hit something. Red light, you jump the red light. Huh? Again you are seeing me, dull person. When red light is there, you should stop red light. Achha, okay. Now green light is not coming, yellow light is there. Green will come. Wait, hold on, have patience. I think you should go for written first. You are quite foolish person. I think you should go for written. Written is 1 hour. Huh? So in that lot of science must be there. In the written test, that what is this sign, what is go sign, what is a stop sign, what is relax sign, what is sit down sign, what is lie down sign. Lot of science must be there. Some don't pass the written only. After passing the written, then you have to say what is zebra crossing. Zebra crossing comes in written. So there is no zebra. Because the strips are there, it is called zebra crossing. Zebra crossing is there. A lot of signs are there. Although many are not used, unnecessarily they put it in the written. Many signs are unnecessarily put. Anyway, then interview, then is when driving start, combing start, how will you understand this Atma? Teacher is the one, when you sit in front of the teacher keeps on observing you, whether you got this point or not. Didn't get it. Again, I'll put it in another manner. Didn't get the point. I think his expression is not right. I think he's not clear on this manner. I think you meet me alone. I'll get back to you on this point again. I think he's struggling on this area. Book will not know where you are struggling. You will, supposing you understand by book, you know what is the problem? You will have Abhiman, I got it. That fellow for whom you are demolishing, that fellow called Abhiman, that will again come. Only what you understood. By I understood the Upanishad by myself. Lo, this another problem has come in your life now. And maybe highly possibility is there, you will not know it properly. You read the book by yourself. You all have books, I'll give mine also if you want. If you know Sanskrit, you can take my book also. Oh, I know that, please give me. No. So, supposing you know, I'll give my book. And you have not heard Vedanta, you will have thorough confusion. Like Sanskrit, you can't learn unless somebody teaches you how to write a. Otherwise, what ka you will write? First you like that. Then you write like that. Then you'll put one line. Then you'll put bridge here. Teacher is there, he said no, do like this. It becomes very difficult. Same thing will become either impossible and difficult. I'm getting my point. And therefore, it is said Ananya Prokte. Each word I have taken. Now don't say I have not understood anything. Don't say that I am still not clear. If you're not clear, you can ask. You can write in your notes, I am not clear on this topic. If you are shy of asking me, don't message to me that I'm not clear. Don't message on this point. You can write on your notes. Then again I'll take it in another manner. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Sanjay. Okay. So the 4 points are mentioned in the 8th mantra. It's an important mantra. Well, which 4 points? 4 times I said you can see it. Okay. And therefore you need a teacher. Therefore you need time. And not any teacher. Not any teacher. Problem is this. Any teacher does not work. Supposing a teacher is not knowing the self, he will always objectify. You know what is the meaning of objectify? Somebody say table. So immediately your attention will go to table. Please don't take table in your rooms, by the way. The table is there. Table. So your attention goes where? Table. I say mic. Mic is there. Two mics. You are able to hear properly? Mic. Huh? I say table lamp. This is a lamp. Clear? Huh? Lamp. I say Atma. फंस गया मामला. If the teacher is not abiding, he will objectify Atma. And when I say Atma, attention should go inside. I say Nitya, eternal. I say Drishta, seer. I say Purnamada, that is complete. This is the difference between university philosophy department and studying from a saint. When they read philosophy, they objectify everything. It is for getting degree. And when you hear, it is for abidance. So, whole mantra, please see once more. I will read. Na narena varena prokta eshah suvigneyo bahudha chintimanaha ananya prokte gatiratra nasti aniyan yatarkyam anupramanat. More we will see in our next class.